Zach, what toy do I have? Do I have the caterpillar? Are you ready? Isn't that cool? Yeah! Come here, Zach. Bless you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on, Zach. Come here. Come play with me and Bailey. See, Bailey's right here. Come play with us. Come here. You can come over? Uh-oh. Are you gonna make a stop first? Boom! Yay! Hi! You gonna play with my feet? What are you doing? Who is there? Who's over here? I don't see anyone. There she is. You gonna come play with Bailey? You can go pet Bailey. Play with my feet. No. Oh, I know what you're going for. You're going for my flip-flops. Look at that destruction. You were very successful. Hi! Okay, let's not eat those.